Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making over this sewing basket that I found at the thrift store the other day. Here's the inside. I'm going to redo some of this lace here. So I've already took this off. This part was glued around the edge here, and then this one was going around the top of it. And I'm in the process of just pulling that off. So now it's just a little bit dirty on the inside. Close-up of how it looks, so you can see the dirt is right around the rim. And where the wood is behind it, it's just a little bit dirty. I think I'm going to spray paint the outside so the lightness of the white spray paint that I plan on using will shine through it without making possible chips of paint on the inside where I'm going to be putting items. I've already started to see what's inside of here, so this is how it's looking. I'm not going to put new fabric around because I like the shininess of this and I think it matches well, and I also don't have anything on hand that I can use and I don't want to buy anything, so I'm just trying to do this on a very low budget, which means a zero budget. And I'm just going to pull all this off on the edges, and I'm going to wash this material here, and I'm going to wipe this down. I'm going to wipe this down. I tried to see if I could take this off, but it's going to be too much work, so I'm just going to use a wipe to clean it. And then once everything is nice and clean, I'm going to put it back together. And instead of putting this old border back on, it's kind of yellow and dingy. It's really classic, but I just want to give it a new look. I'm just going to replace that lace with this. So this will now go around that border here as well as up here. I'm going to do that next, so stay tuned.